Then creating a dictionary from two arrays. Let list one. How to create array list one of int is 2, 10, 20, 30, 40. Let list two of okay, I will give int only of 60, 70, 80, 90. Then let list dictionary. Can tell me what is the proper syntax to maintain this thing? Anyone can tell me the syntax?
Array of array.
No, it's not array. We are working with dictionary. The requirement is that maintaining array inside the dictionary. Maintaining the array inside the dictionary. So the syntax became first one is what? Key. Always first one is a key, string. And the second one is list int equals to list one colon of list one comma list two colon of list two and print of list dictionary. This one. Now get extracting one by one again. Okay, I want to get first list. So let result list one. So inside the dictionary there is a list. So we put list inside the dictionary. Now from dictionary extract the data out equals to list dictionary of list one. Then value of result list one print or take where result equals to empty string. Okay, that one I will tell you later. Result string plus equals to the value. Now here what it is saying that value of optional type. So whenever you are retrieving the data from the dictionary, it is returning what? Optional value. So optional value can't be unwrapped. So I will say nil collision of empty. So nil collision. What is the meaning of this one? If this is nil, then nothing, empty. So it doesn't going to iterate through that particular thing. So it's printed 5 items. Print of result string. And the space. School. Now same thing you can do second one also. To extract 2. Make it resultant string empty because we already used that one. Now we'll get this one. So in this syntax, we injected a list of array inside the dictionary, and we extracted again the same list from the dictionary. So I have a question now here. What type of list we have? Integer, right? And
Yeah.
we created int. Now imagine that I have a integer list, I have a string list, I have a float list. Then, for example, here only we change to float.
So it should work.
No, it should be work. That is called generate. That is only I'm trying to explain you actually. So it's a float here. This is a float. Don't change your code. This is a next level concept actually. And I have, let's say, ABC of string of array. Don't change the code. Just in order to explain you something, I'm trying to do like this. Okay, then test ABC. Right, I have different things right now, and I specify like this. So key is a proper, but the value what I'm maintaining, it's not proper. It can be anything, right? So if this is your requirement, yesterday also similar kind of, you have a different concepts or different approaches. If this is your requirement, the type is not defined or the type is not constant, simply you can say any. I will tell you this any later. I think tomorrow, most probably in the next session, we are going to start object orientation then. So string of any, no error, nothing. It's perfect. Okay, any of any. See different combination, man. Int, string. If you consider here, string of integer, string of string. Here, int of int, right? This is the static combinations. You know the type, you know the values. Now come to here. I know in this case, I know the key, but the values are dynamic, generic. I don't know. So I will say any. I can store anything. Okay. Now I don't know what is the key. Any combinations of any values. So in this particular case, you have to write some additional things, which we'll get later. But maximum case, string of any combination will be work properly. String of any or string of, there is another object also the string, any object type. So these can be possible. Just keep in the mind that not only the static type, generic type also we can maintain inside the dictionary with the help of any. Okay. So the next requirement, dictionary of dictionary. For merging is there. Nested dictionary I want to do. What the point? Nested dictionary means within the dictionary I want to place another dictionary. Okay.
One question. This dictionary can, you said it can be of type any, right? That means
Yes.
int float, and can it contain another dictionary?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Any means any. It's your, you can create your custom object also.
Okay.
And it's completely generic.
Okay.
Okay. Now, dictionary within the dictionary, nested dictionary. That means let names equals to first say 1, then second say 2, and third is 3. This is one dictionary, string of string. Okay. Now let my dictionary colon string of dictionary. Key is a string, but the value is dictionary of string of string. So I'll say mobile. Something Apple. Geo, Samsung. Then Android, something. See here, if you observe, this is alignment, right? There is alignment issue. What I did, I selected this content, control, I'm not sure, window layout, control, question mark button, alignment. Strong, I forget the hell it is. Don't know what I did here. Command I. For me, control I. I stands for alignment. So it looks like this. I can align directly. Okay. Now, names and mobile, two different. This is my dictionary I was created right now. String of dictionaries equal to I will say names of names. Then mobile of mobile. Okay. Now print of my dictionary. So dictionary within the dictionary. But guys, this is a little bit complicated scenario. Yes, this kind of things are exist in the real time when you are parsing the data, like server data. Server will return you dictionary, and inside the dictionary maybe another dictionary, maybe inside the dictionary another array, maybe lot of things. Complex data structure can be exist. So in order to do like this, just I'm giving the guidance that okay, if this is a complex, how you have to handle. Now I have a dictionary. Inside the dictionary, I have the dictionary. So I want to enter inside the dictionary element and I want to access. Okay. Then if I say, let's say I want to print apple. I want to print apple, okay? So try to imagine the structure. Now, this is your structure. Mobile, names, image the data object representation. First try to understand, then only you can think. This is your data representation, okay? So what is this mobile and names? Root key. Root key, not key, is a root level keys of your dictionaries. Inside that one, I want to extract apple, let's say, and I want to extract one. Okay, so I have a dictionary which has a dictionary and the root keys are mobile and names. Inside the mobile, I have to access this element. Inside the name, I want to access this element. Okay, this is a requirement. Then what should be the code? Any idea? Let's say print of my dictionary. If I say mobile, what it gives, what it returns?
Entire dictionary.
Entire dictionary, right? Yeah, dictionary itself. Now I'll say iPhone, right? It says must be unwrap. I don't want to unwrap. Can you? Because it's a dictionary, right? If you can like this, it will force. I can give question mark. So what it is printed, see? It's printed, right?
It's an optional app.
Yeah, yes, optional. That's fine. We know, but at least we should know that how to access this one. Now come to the second one. Print my dictionary of names, question mark, because it's optional. Then first. It's printed optional one. Okay. Now I want to iterate through this list. I want to iterate through this list. Then root dictionary of my dictionary. So in this case, a root dictionary will returns what? A dictionary itself. Then again, per item of root dictionary. Then print item dot key and item dot value. And say string of string. Okay, in order to give you the more simple thing, because I don't want to use some new thing which you still not completed. Dictionary equals to string of string equals to root dictionary of. Now I will say it's a sub dictionary for me. I don't want to use this one because still you are not completed. What it is saying that cannot convert the value of type string to dictionary of dictionary. Okay. And still here also we have to use that one. So I will say, let me key value. Okay. But it is saying that key string value dictionary. I don't understand what is cannot convert value of type key is a string value of dictionary to expected argument string of string. So it should be the dictionary type then. For string of string. Let me make optional and check what's gonna happen. So dictionaries are optional. Okay, no problem. Cannot convert value key string value dictionary string to specify the type dictionary. My dictionary is a root. It returns the dictionary type. Key value string value dictionary string of string to specify the type dictionary of. Cannot convert value of type keys string value dot value. Now dot value. So when you say root dictionary, it is itself is a dictionary with the key and the values actually, but we don't want key, right? We want to pick only the values. Understanding the previous error, then you will understand what was the problem. Let's say what it is saying actually. Try to analyze what it is saying. Hey, you are trying to do something called with the root dictionary, but the root dictionary is not dictionary. Root dictionary itself is a combination of key and value. Cannot convert value of type key and value. So whatever the value you are expecting, it has a key and it has a dictionary. So you are not expecting key, you are expecting dictionary. So what you have to say, dot value. So the value itself is a dictionary. This dictionary I am converting into this one, or else you can use like this. This is nested flow. So moving internally and getting the data from that one. Okay.
For what kind of scenarios we use this kind of nested dictionary?
Server responses. Let me find out any JSON format. JSON API for RESTful data. Actually, it's RESTful data. Let me find out somewhere. JSON API. Sample JSON data. Okay. Okay. See, can you open this link, everyone? Everyone open? So see the first one. Glossary title, dev title. I given the simple dictionary of dictionary, but here this is super different. Let me bring you this desktop here. Can you see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see here. This is a data, okay? JSON. See, this is a root key. Again, that root key has a value called title. Again, it has a dictionary, okay? Expand, again it has a title. Again, it has a dictionary. Again, it has a dictionary. And there is an element. Again, it has a dictionary. Again, it has a dictionary. See this kind of. Got my point? So at the server level responses, you will get this kind of data. Yes, we are going to use. So properly you have to understand actually how the data model is designed from the backend engineer. So if you can understand how the data is designed by the backend engineer, then only you can pass this data. So just now we started something like dictionary of dictionary, then we ended with some confusion. Okay, this is a root, then start traveling, then enter next one, then again extract. So yes, these are the data. This kind of data will be exist in the real time. Right, Ramesh?
Yeah.
It's fine, right? Yes, we are going to use that one. Okay, let's finish this topic. Then